recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Alright guys, so we're hanging out here in Shafter and I'm here with my kitty Iggy, and I always like to mess with him. Well, he's trying to play with the Corvette. I'll just kind of squeeze on his belly a little.
That was pretty cool. I like that.